Presenting the new K5, 5 independent machines on one stand. The K5 is the most attractive, simple, and accurate workshop on the market today. The K5's been designed and engineered with the homeowner in mind. The K5 is manufactured by Kity France. For more than 36 years, tools for home workshops and professionals. In more than 80 countries, Kity is the word for the best in power tools. The K5 has been demonstrated at many home craft shows, including Cal Expo in Sacramento. Its ease of operation and multi-functions always make it the hit of the show. The 5 independent operations set around the central powerful motor produce a variety of projects, each of which you can do with your own K5. If you haven't had the chance to see the K5 in person, now you can. Sit back and relax, and let us show you what you can do with the K5. The K5 has 5 operations, and you don't have to break down or change settings. You just switch the belt from one machine to the other. The different speeds of the tools are preset with different sizes of pulleys. You won't find a more versatile or simpler to operate combination machine. And now let's take a look at our first operation, the table saw. The K5 comes equipped with a 7 1/4 inch blade. And remember, all tools you'll see are American standard sizes. The table is easily adjusted. The rib fence is a special half size, making it more accurate and preventing the wood from binding into the blade. The K5 is quiet, a feature you and your neighbors will appreciate. The K5 is precise enough to produce edge veneering. Cut down to as little as 1/16 of an inch, it will give you the kind of results that you want. The miter guide fits on either side of the saw. It can be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees on either side. The depth stop allows you to make repeated cuts of the same length. With 2 simple cuts and without making any adjustments, you can produce a perfect 90-degree miter. You cut the wood on one side of the miter, simply move it to the other side, and you'll have a complementary 90-degree angle. All working tables on the K5 are constructed of cast anodized aluminum. In this demonstration, you can see how easy it is to create a picture frame. This same procedure can be used for much larger projects. From picture frames to door frames to window frames, all perfectly cut on your K5. Constructing box joints is a snap with the K5 and the dado attachment. In minutes of simple operation, you can accomplish what would take you all day by hand. It's fully adjustable. and you can make professional box joints that would be the envy of any professional furniture maker. And there you have it. Perfect box joints every time with a minimum of adjustments and time. For larger projects, an extension table is available. The extension table comes with a full-length rip fence, an accessory that will make your K5 even more versatile. For accurate angle cuts, the K5 saw table tilts up to 45 degrees. The circular saw takes up to an 8-inch blade, 2.5-inch cut, 5/8-inch arbor, and runs at 4,750 RPM. The next feature of the K5 is the jointer. Remember, unlike any other combination machine on the market, you simply change the position of the belt and you're ready for another operation. No time-consuming breakdowns needed here. With your K5, there's no reason to buy expensive planed wood. Do it yourself with the 6-inch jointer. Rough sawn warped timber is simply plain smooth and flat with square edges on the surface planer. You can also plane on the angle up to 45 degrees. Once again, a money-saving feature you'll enjoy. The jointer features 6-inch width, running at 5,700 RPM, with 3/16-inch maximum cut. The third operation of the K5 is the thickness planer. Power-fed thicknesser planes parallel faces to the surface finish, allowing square smooth timber to be simply produced. You simply crank the wood into the planer and the automatic feed takes over. The feeding rate of 24 feet per minute lets you get the job done quickly and professionally. Another money-saving feature of the K5. The thickness planer features 6-inch width, 4-inch height, 3/16-inch maximum cut, and an automatic feeding rate of 24 feet per minute. The fourth operation of the K5 is the mortiser. With the mortiser, you have the capability of horizontal drilling for dowel joining. The technique is easy. Simply clamp down the wood, adjust your perimeters for height and length control, and with one smooth and easy operation, drill the holes. A perfect mortise in 30 seconds? Impossible? Not with the K5. By hand, this operation would take nearly a half an hour. Time-saving and accurate, and easy to adjust. The mortise and tenon is a must for furniture and cabinet making, and with the K5 you can. You set the size of the mortise with the drill holes, and by maneuvering the carriage, you route out the mortise. Perfect every time. As an addition, you can fit a disc sander into the chuck, another unique feature of the K5. The Mortiser horizontal drill press features 3/8" chuck, 4" lateral movement, and 3 1/2" table rise and fall. The fifth operation of the K5 is the shaper, a simple operation of moving the belt and you're ready to use the shaper. Shaping wood for molding. It gives your wood its personality. The 3/4" spindle accepts hundreds of shapes, all in American standard sizes. 2 compression springs act as anti-kickback devices, providing another safety feature of the K5. The molding you want is limited only to your imagination. The drum sander is an accessory allowing you to finish off a contour cut. Another versatile feature of the K5. It uses the same spindle as the shaper. Contour shaping is easier and safer on the K5. Notice the special ring fence, preventing the tool from grabbing the wood. This gives you professional results with safety of operation, making this a feature unique to the K5. With the K5, you can let your imagination be your guide to creating molding for your needs. The sliding table is an accessory that allows you to cut a tenon and in-grain cuts. This operation, usable on small and large pieces, uses the same spindle head. One more ease of operation feature of the K5. The shaper features 3/4" spindle, 1 3/4" height adjustment, 6,200 RPM spindle speed, and 4" diameter cutter capacity. This is the K5, 5 independent operations powered by an 1100-watt motor. The K5 is fully guaranteed against all manufacturing defects for 2 years, including parts and labor. The K5 is just one of the many tools offered by Kity. For more information, call or write today to Kity USA, 8140 Industrial Parkway, Sacramento, California, 95824. Or call area code 916-383-3878.